Okay, so in this video, we're going to be looking at solving equations that have got a pronumeral on both sides of the equation of the equal sign. So the main idea here is we've got to think back to our algebra topic where we found our like terms and we could add and subtract like terms. So what we want to do, we want to find all the like terms and put all the like terms onto the same side. So all the like terms of this 10f, so anything with the pronumeral f, so we've got 10f here, we've got 6f on this side. So the idea is we want to move this 6f over onto this side of the equation. So the way that we're going to do that is we're going to move it by subtraction. Because we've got a 23 plus 6f here. So we're adding that 6f onto that 23. So to cancel that out and move it onto the other side, we need to subtract 6f. Now, the reason I've done the 6f, not the 10f, it would still work if we did do the 10f, but the reason I did the 6f is because that's actually smaller than the 10f that we have here. So if we subtracted the 10f from the 6f, it would give us a negative value, which we're going to have to get rid of later on. But this way we don't have to worry about getting rid of that negative value. So we can just do as normal. So I'll subtract 6f from both sides. So minus 6f. Then on this side, minus 6f. So that'll bring us to down here. We have 10f minus 6f plus 3 is equal to 23. So all we've done there is move this 6f over to here. So the next step is just to simplify this 10f minus 6f. So we actually don't need to show that there. So we can go 10f minus 6f, 10 minus 6 is 4. So that will be 4f. Yeah, so 4f plus 3 is equal to 23. Next step here. So now this is just looking like one of the regular equations that we would have been working through already. So all the pronumerals are on the left-hand side. So now we can just solve for f. So we would get rid of this, any addition and subtraction first. So get rid of this 3. So we'd subtract 3 because that's a positive 3 there. So minus 3, minus 3. Now let's actually move this up here. So 4f plus 3, and then we subtract the 3 there. So that will go just 4f. Because that minus 3 cancels out that 3 there. Then we've got to subtract the 3 from the 23 here. So that equals 20. Final step is to find f by itself. So we know that this is 4 times f. So that's 4 times f. We have to do the opposite operation. So we need to divide by 4. So divide by 4. And then we've got to do the same to this side. Always do the same thing to both sides. So divide both sides by 4. So on this side, dividing that, it just cancels out that one and that one. They cancel each other out. So we have f by itself. So here we've got f by itself. Then on this side, we've got 20 divided by 4. So 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. So the solution to our equation here is f equals 5. One way that we can check to see if we've got the solution correct is substitute that 5 back in to the equation here. So let's do that now. Might do that in a different color. I'll do it in a green.